Show and Tell. Oh, it's Tyler's Game and Tell, boy. Hi, this is Tyler's Show and Tell, and today we are doing a preview of the Ryan's World vending machine set. Cool! Okay, first tip, make sure you turn on mode, and then let's get this thing started. Okay, I am going to do one coin, and then I'm going to do that. And then here it is. And then I think there's a mystery prize in it. And let's see. It's Gus! Yay! Whoa. Wonder what this is. Whoa, it's a Build Orion, so we got the first piece. Now, let's see it again. Whoa, it's cute. These are all the cool stuff you can get out of the vending machine. Ryan's World, food stuff, action figures, and more. Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed our video. We want you to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.